Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to log into AOL Mail. AOL Mail is a free web-based email service provided by AOL. So, if you have an account on AOL recently created and you want to log in to AOL Mail from your device, you need to open a web browser on your device. Then go to the search box at the top of your web browser and type in AOL Mail Login. Then you will be seeing the results for AOL Mail Login. You can tap on AOL Login and then it will be taking you to the sign in page of AOL. You require your username, email address or mobile number, whichever you had used to sign up for AOL, and then you will have to enter your password in the next page. So enter your email address in the respective field of username, email address. After you have entered your username, you can tap on the next button. Then you will be asked to enter your password to finish the sign-in process, that is login process. After you have done entering your password, you can tap on the next button. Then the login process will be completed in few seconds and you will be logged into your AOL account. Now you can surf to your account on your device of AOL, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials.